first of all, there should be a lot of awareness created for palliative care and hospice care. People are not aware. They think that how we'll be able to manage the patient at home. A patient who is in the end stage of the disease, how we'll be able to manage that patient. So first you have to, before starting palliative care or hospice care, the family members have to be taken in confidence. And second thing, you have to explain the patient also what we are going to do in palliative care and hospice care. So both the patient and the family, they have to be explained everything about palliative care and hospice care. You have to straight away tell the family that, look, we are going to reduce the sufferings of the patient. Mentally, we are going to make him more strong by giving palliative care. And hospice care is also very important because all the time we cannot be giving emotional support. There are certain times when the patient will definitely require medical attention. So that time, the role of the hospice team becomes very important. The family members should not panic at that time. They should always have at the back of the mind that we have a team who will come anytime to our home and help out the patient. So both palliative care and hospice care should go hand in hand. Once we know that now hospice care also, the patient is having a lot of sufferings and all, at that time, counseling of the patient, counseling of the family members becomes very important. And our main purpose in both this is that the life of the patient should be easier. They should not suffer. They should not suffer a lot. So whatever best we can do, we have to do. Emotionally also, we should support them. Clinically also, if there is any problems, we should immediately attend to the problems. When the patient is in the end stage, the treating doctor will tell, now we have done whatever best was possible from your side. Now you take the patient home and give him whatever is possible, which will the sufferings of the patient has to subside. Whatever best you can, the doctor will explain you before he tells that you go for palliative care or hospice care. The patient will tell that we have tried our best. This was our limitation. So now this is the option available for you: palliative care and hospice care. So here, the most important thing is the acceptance part. Acceptance by the patient and by the family members. It is very difficult for us to tell that you accept, but for them it takes time. We can understand the mental agony and all what they are passing through. For the patient, it is very difficult to face death, and for the family members also to lose the young ones, it is very difficult. And mainly when a young patient or children who are dying of cancer, then it becomes very emotional. So it is, palliative care is like round the clock. You have to talk to the patient, talk to the family members, and keep them at ease. Comfort level should be on the higher side.